Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe us for more informative content. Today, we will be discussing 5 sectors with high demand in the post-COVID era. As COVID-19 has affected countless enterprises severely, we need to pay special mind to those areas which are in high demand and will remain so in the post-COVID period. Here are 5 such areas to note. 1. Edtech. The national education policy has been empowering with reformist considerations on the future of education. In the current occasions when every one of the schools and universities are working in virtual mode through online classes, it is relevant to see the ascent of web courses and online instruction. The pandemic has sped up the development of edtech organizations. Coursera, Udemy, Udacity and so on are a portion of the edtech organizations that have built in both size and reach. 2. Healthcare. This sector comprises of medical tourism, hospitals, medical devices, health, insurance, clinical trials and healthcare information technology. The advantage for the sector also emerges out of the 100% FDI as part of greenfield projects, and for those that are under brownfield projects, 100% FDI can be routed through government intervention. India is flourishing in this area and expected to grow up among the best 3 medical services markets. Well-known medical services organizations in India incorporate Apollo Hospitals, Cipla, Fortis and so forth. 3. Financial services. The growth in digital payments is fast, thus boosting financial technology. Paytm, Google Pay are gaining stability. Digital lending is taking wings. Online investment products that come under fintech are gaining momentum. 4. OTT platforms and COVID. COVID-19 has brought a drastic shift to the entertainment sector where OTT platforms have been the gainers. The future is digital, and India is estimated to have, in a decade, over 1 billion digital users. The younger generation, which is a huge part of the Indian population, will boost online gaming consumption. Hotstar, Netflix, Prime, Reliance Entertainment etc. are part of the OTT platforms. 5. E-commerce and e-retail. The pandemic has increased the surge of online shoppers. One can see a shift in consumer habits, and this is expected to stay long, even post-COVID-19. Experts are of the opinion that e-commerce will be on a growth trajectory. Mobile shopping is witnessing a rise. It is expected that e-commerce industry is likely to reach over $200 billion in the coming 8 years, leaping 6 times ahead of its market opportunity from 2018 onwards.